Hi ladies, Shelli, Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Welcome to my kitchen in Solana Beach, California, where you are always welcome. So today we're going to make a cherry Bulgar Wheat bowl with fresh cherries, almonds, fresh mint, a little cinnamon, and vanilla. Now this is a no sugar, super healthy, fit meal that you can make in a flash, stick in the fridge, and heat and eat throughout the week. It's one of my favorites. Now, if you love this recipe, you will love the recipes in my 28-day California sugar cleanse book that just came out on Amazon, and it's full of 53 great no sugar recipes, lots of tips on how to live a more sugar-free life, and access to a private Facebook group and lots of good stuff. The link is below in the bio, and hope you check it out. All right. This is a simple thing to make. You're just going to need a nut milk, Bulgar wheat, vanilla, cinnamon, fresh mint, almonds, and a bowl of cherries. I'm not going there. Easy to make. Let me show you how we make it. Okay, ladies, this is all we're going to do. In a pot over high heat, well, I have it on medium-high heat, you're going to add, what is this? 3.5 cups of any kind of a nut milk or liquid that you like. What I use is I use 1 can of coconut milk. I use some coconut water because I like the natural sweetness of the coconut water. So I did that. And to this, I'm adding 2 cups of Bulgar wheat. Now, if you don't have Bulgar wheat, no big deal at all. You can just use steel cut oats. You don't want to use rolled oats, or for God's sake, don't use quick oats because it's had all the fiber stripped out of it. You're going to, where's my spatula? Oh, for God's sake. Oh, yeah. This is on high. You're just going to give it a quick stir. This is how easy it is. You're going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. I'm going to bring this to a boil. I'm going to cover it, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for about 15 or 20 minutes until the oats stop. Now, you do not want to put the vanilla in at this juncture because it'll burn off the vanilla and you're not going to get the flavor. So wait until it's done, the 15 to 20 minutes. You're going to take the lid off, give it a quick stir, and then stir in your vanilla. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so this has been absorbing all those liquids for about 15 minutes. I'm just going to add in about 1.5 teaspoons of good quality extract, vanilla extract, I should say. I'm gonna stir that in. This smells so good. You know when vanilla hits the heat and you can just smell that vanilla? This is so good. Let me get my boobs out of the shot, sorry. All right, I'm gonna stir that in. And now all you're gonna do is stir in your goodies. So, we're gonna start with, now I added blueberries because I just wanted some more berries to it. You can add anything you like, but I am going to add about 2 cups of cherries, and then I added another 1/2 cup of frozen blueberries just because I felt like it. And don't worry about them being frozen. I mean, frozen cherries and frozen berries are delicious this time of year. Actually, if they're frozen, they're good anytime. And this is going to, the Bulgar wheat's going to melt the cherries anyway. I can't talk today, sorry. Just stir those in. Oh, shit, sorry. All right, party foe. Stir those in. Now I'm going to add my chopped almonds. And I have about 1/2 cup, maybe 3/4. I just used the rest of what I had with the mint. It'll wilt as you stir this, and I love it. So I just used more, but use it to taste. This is so good. This smells so good. Okay, this smells so good. And this is the dish, you guys. Doesn't that look good? What? That is the dish. All right, let's dish up a bowl, shall we? We shall. So this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can show you without dumping it over. So you can see it's got lots of delicious Bulgar wheat in there for fiber and protein, The cherries are off the hook, and the mint just adds a nice little freshness to it that you'll love. Almonds in there for a crunch and a nice healthy fat to keep you satiated for a long time, and an undertone of that vanilla and the cinnamon flavor. So that's how I make it. Package it up when you're finished with your bowl. Keep it in the fridge for heat and eat throughout the week, and be sure to check out my 28-day California sugar cleanse, link down below in the comment section, and I will see you on the blog.